welcome to Brenna's Bargains. Today's video we're going to be covering some Brickseek. So if you check in your Dollar General app, you'll notice that the totes are only ringing up 80 cents. And the glass containers are ringing up $3. And here's the UPC for the container. Okay, in Sunday's ad, we have August 14th. We have some buy one, get one half offs on curtains and also on towels. And also some frames and also Mr. Clean. And we have a lot of Dollar General coupons to clip. So just remember all that for Sunday. Alright, we have new markdowns. We have markdowns on floral for 90% off. Finally, they are 90% off, so we can grab them while we can. If there's any left in your store, this is a great time to snatch them up. Okay, and just remember most of them are with the flag, but here's all 3 of the codes. Okay, the next markdown we have is summer barbecue. So these are all like the freeze pops or cooler items or summer items that you see. I do have some UPCs on each one, but not all of them. But here's some great visuals for the 70% off on summer barbecue. So I have about 20 visuals on summer barbecue. Okay, so we do have a penny list for August 16th, and it's purple dot. Just remember, penny shopping is a secret. Do not ask where the pennies are, and I do have videos to help you out with more visuals. Okay, we also have another clearance event coming up really soon, next week. So we'll be more information on that soon. So thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. God bless. I love y'all. Bye.